What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a community on Skool and actually set it up step by step. Create an account by clicking on link in the description to sign up to Skool and get 14 days free trial. Skool app is a fantastic platform to host a community, whether you're a creator or someone looking to build a paid community, a free community, a course, or even a coaching program, something along those lines. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Step 1. Create an account by clicking on link in the description to sign up to Skool and get 14 days free trial. Here, you'll find tons of communities to get inspiration from. There are communities for just about anything on this platform. Go ahead and create an account and log in. Once logged in, click on Create a Community. You'll get two options. Public, anyone can join. Private, someone has to request to join. For this example, I'll make it public. Go ahead and name your group. Let's just call it Skool for this tutorial. When you create your group, you'll get a 14-day free trial, after which it costs $99 per month. Step 2. Add branding. Once the community is created, you'll see this dashboard. The first thing to do is add your branding. Upload a profile picture, e.g., your logo. Add a banner. Name the group and add a description. For this example, I'll name it Eddie's Test Group for YouTube. Add your initials, choose a color, and update your settings. Step 3. Payment setup for paid communities, ***. If you're looking to create a paid community, go to the subscriptions section. Connect your bank account for payouts. Set the price for membership. For example, if you want to charge $99 per month, set that price, and now, anyone joining your community will see this on the front end. Step 4. Create discussion categories. Next, set up discussion categories. Click Add Category. Name it, e.g., social media or content monetization. Choose if all members can post or if it's an admin-only channel. For example, you can create announcements, only admins can post. General discussion, open for everyone. Step 5. Add plugins. Plugins enhance your community experience. Here are some options. Join questions. Ask members questions before they join. Examples. Oh, where did you find this community? Oh, what is your email? Auto DM. Automatically sends new members a welcome message like, "Hey, welcome to Eddie's group. Message me if you need help." Gamification. Add levels to encourage engagement. Members can unlock rewards like access to courses or exclusive content by reaching higher levels. Step 6. Add links. You can link to your other platforms, such as your YouTube channel. These can be set to private, visible only to members, or public, visible to everyone. Step 7. Classroom setup. The Classroom tab is where you host courses or other content. 1. Add a course or module, e.g., Video 1, Introduction to Social Media Growth. 2. Link videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or Wistia. 3. Add descriptions, links, or other resources. You can also lock modules so only certain members or levels have access to them. Step 8. Calendar for events. If you're hosting group calls or events, use the calendar feature. 1. Click Add Event. 2. Set the date, time, and recurrence, e.g., weekly. 3. Add the meeting link, e.g., Zoom or Google Meet. 4. Choose who can attend. O. All members. O. Members at a specific level. You can also enable email reminders so members don't miss the event. Step 9. Leaderboards and levels. Set up leaderboards to motivate members. Create levels, e.g., Level 1, Rookie, Level 2, Pro. Assign rewards like bonus content or private calls. Step 10. About page. Customize the About page. Add a cover image and description explaining what your community offers. Optionally, upload a video introducing the community. A classroom with free content, like a Growth Operator mini-course. Conclusion. Building a community on Skool is straightforward and highly effective. Once set up, it practically runs itself. Create an account by clicking on link in the description to sign up to Skool and get 14 days free trial. If you got value from this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.